Assalamualaikum and good morning to our lecturer, Madam Siti HAJAR BINTI. Today we're going to present about our mini project presentation for subject DFC 40243 System Analysis and Design. This is our team member, NAZIERUL AIZAD bin ADNAN, number metric N with F11032, and my name is Ahmad Mustaqim bin Zaini, 25 DDP 23 F1032, and Muhammad HAFIY bin NAZLEY, and numeric N with F1101. First, we go to introduction. This mini project aims to analyze and improve an existing and organizational system by identifying an inefficiency and enhancing functional. The project begins with structured stakeholder interview to understand current challenge and user expectation. Next, a close-ended gather quantifiable feedback on a system usable performance and security. The findings are then used to recreate a functional decomposition diagram to break down system function hierarchically. A level 1 data flow diagram is also developed to visualize data movement within the system. Together, this component provide a clear roadmap for optimizing and optimizing the system to better meet business need and user requirement. The deliverables understand data-driven decision guides the system redesign process. We go through our question and on part A. So this is our question. Next, we go to the answer. Project name for this new project is Smart Security Surveillance System Enhancement. Interview detail. Ahmad Mustaqim Zaini, role as final year student system analyst. Email you can be contacted at email mustaqimzaini@gmail.com. Station Polytechnic Mesir. Interview details. Adik HAFIY bin NAZLEY, role Chief Security Officer at IZAD Mall, Department Safety and Security Department, Organization IZAD Mall, email aniq@gmail.com. Location, date and time. Location. Location to meet is IOI meeting room 1, date 10 a.m. 10 April 2025, time 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Next, introduction. The purpose of this section is to gather detailed insight from the head of security to understand the current surveillance system limitation and areas for improvement. The finding will contribute to system analysis and the proposal are a more effective, secure, and automated surveillance infrastructure. Background information. IZAD will use a city-based surveillance system across interest corridor and parking areas. ANIQ has over 20 years of experience in managing security operations, including emergency response, coordination, surveillance, monitoring, and handling security staff schedule. Current system overview. First, to utilize analog CCTV with limited remote monitoring capabilities, no AI or smart detection manual monitoring is required 24/7 7 hours, 7 weeks. Windows Fit store locally for only 40 days due to limited storage. System lag redundancy and often goes down during power cuts. No centralized dashboard or alert system. System requirement, functional requirement like definite night vision IP cameras, real-time alert with facial and motion detection, mobile analyze for live monitoring, centralized management system, non-functional requirement, system uptime of 99.9%, encrypted data storage, scalability to add more device in future, fast response time for playback access. Data requirement, continue video feeds, timestamp log at least 90 days, retention in cloud or hybrid storage, metadata tagging, time zone detected motion, like time zone detected motion, restricted access logs for audit, business process, surveillance workflow. Manual monitoring by guards across three fields: incident detection, report fiction, review footage, submit report to management. Incident response typically reactive, only check the complaint, take up to 30 to 60 minutes to retrieve relevant footage. Reporting, handwriting, handwritten logs, and Excel-based tracking of a security event. Limitation, efficiency of and time-consuming lack of a real-time response, no integration between surveillance and incident response. Stakeholder concern, security staff are overwhelmed due to lack automation, difficult to retrieve flash footage quickly, with privacy concern for sensitive areas, limited scalability, cost of a system upgrade, and training requirement. Wrap up. Actually, I need to emphasize the needs for a proactive surveillance system with the AI capabilities. We support the project and suggest involve the IT team in the next phase for integration and training. We appreciate the opportunity to share insight and look forward to a more secure environment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NAZIERUL AIZAD bin ADNAN, matrix number 25DDT23F1103. Let's continue to part B. After conducting an interview session with the stakeholder, you have identified key challenge and inefficiency in the siren system. However, to ensure that the findings are accurate and represent the needs of a broader user base, you must collect structured feedback from multiple users. To achieve this, you need to design a closed-ended questionnaire that captures user opinions on system usability, performance, security, and overall expectation. This will allow you to gather quantifiable data that can help refine system requirements and support data-driven decision making. Once the questionnaire is prepared, it must be displayed in a Google form for easy distribution and analysis. This will streamline data collection and allow for efficient result compilation. Task 1. Prepare 10 close-ended questions using multiple choice, Likert scale example, strongly agree to strongly disagree, and yes or no format. Task 2. Display your questionnaire in a Google form to facilitate easy data collection and analyze complete with description of your project. Ensure to attach the link. Task 1. Prepare 10 close-ended questions using multiple choice, Likert scale example, strongly agree to strongly disagree, and yes or no format. For question 1, would you prefer the new system or not? Question 2, the current system meets my work requirement effectively. Number 3, is the system user-friendly? Number 4, the system interface is intuitive and easy to use. Question number 5. Have you experienced system downtime that affected your work? Question 6. How satisfied are you with the system reporting capabilities? Number 7. The system provides adequate data security for sensitive information. Number 8. How will you rate the security of siren system? Number 9. How will you rate the system overall performance? Number 10. Will you recommend keeping the siren system with minor improvement rather than a complete redesign?
Hi, my name is Muhammad ANIQ bin NAZLEY, matrix number F1101. For the last part is part C. After gathering insight from the stakeholders through interviews and survey response, you have identified key business functions and data processes that need to be optimized in the new system. To ensure a clear and structured representation of systems functionality and data flow, you need to create two essential diagrams. First, a functional decomposition diagram (FDD). This diagram will break down the system into hierarchical business function and sub-functions helping to visualize system components and their relationship. It will provide a structured overview of what the system does at different levels. For next, a data flow diagram DFD level 1. This diagram will illustrate how data move within the system by identifying data sources, processes, storage, and outputs. It will help define how different components interact and ensure a smooth flow of information. By creating this diagram, you will gain a clearer understanding of the system structure and data interaction, which will aid in better system design and implementation. For the task, number 1, prepare a functional decomposition diagram (FDD) to illustrate the business function. And the next task is prepare a data flow diagram (DFD) level 1 to depict how data flows within the system. Now we go to the task 1, functional decomposition diagram (FDD). The title is Smart Security Surveillance Systems that have 4 sections: threat detection, alert management, data processing, and user management. For the threat detection section, they have motion detection, facial recognition, and object identification. Next is alert management section. These have intrusion alerts, fire or smoke alerts, and unauthorized access alert. For the next section is data processing. They have video analytics and data storage and data encryption. And the last section is user management. They have authentication, authorization, user activity login. Next is task 2, data flow diagram DFD level 1. First, there will have security device, cameras or sensors. Then it will capture and process surveillance data. For the next, it will analyze threats and recognize pattern. Then it will go two direction. First, they will generate alerts and notification. Then it will go to authorized personal security staff or to emergency service, police or fire. For the next flow that analyze threat and recognize pattern, it will go to store and manage security data. Then it will go to the system administration. Thank you.